Hello and welcome to another Crimson Desert tutorial, and today we are going to do Unravel the Secret of the Ancient Ruins, and this is the reunion quest here, and outside there's this little area that you would have moved that block up with the nature grab, and now what you're going to do is you're going to do a force palm into that middle one, and then you're going to go to the right and do a force palm onto that one and push that in. And then go to the left and force palm that one, and then that'll do it. That's all you really need to do, and then it connects the dots and it lights everything up, and we are done. So pretty easy. And then when you walk outside, what you're going to do is you want to make sure to go over to that lit column. So let me just walk outside here. Cool thing, things are turning in here, but you don't have to worry about anything else in this room. Just walk outside and make sure to go over there because there is something that you can take. The Abyss Crescent. Alright, and then you're going to walk over here to the left. It tells you to approach the child, and the child will be just over there on the edge of the cliff. So just walk over that way and approach the child, and there you go.